Hello everyone, good morning. And today we are continuing with our welcome project. So what is the project? So as we have said the process, so every day client will give us one email address. We need to create a ID for it and then we should keep moving from there, correct? So now I have logged into the tool. I'm sharing the screen with you people. And the email address given by the client looks like this. sales.aradhya@gmail.com. As I mentioned, I've logged into the tool. Okay, I've logged into the tool and now I'm moving into the data extension just to confirm what is the email address. Do we have that email address or not manually? So since the data extension is very less in number, so I'll go into the master here. And now what I can see, there are 9 email addresses. I'll click on this master data extension. And since it is very less in number, I can just do a manual check. So we have Raju, Kavya, Chetan, Shashindra, Chandra, Guru, Gautam, and Gautam.0.75 twice. So this is the last email address which was been added. This is the key. So let me try to follow the same key format and let me add that. So what is that? It is 26, 3 letters, 2024 underscore. I have to use this email address and anything which is before that. So it's shares.aradhya@gmail.com. So this is the key. This is the email address. So I have to add that record. I cannot do it in Email Studio, but I'll be doing that in future. So for now, I'll go into Contact Builder because it is only one email address. From tomorrow, client will be giving us more than one email address. So we cannot be doing the same exercise of adding them manually like this. So we'll be doing an exercise of creating an Excel, converting it to CSV. That is the things what we need to learn and continue, and then we can move. Okay. So since it is only one email address given every day, so we will go into that data extension and we'll add it manually. Since the data is very less in number, we can do this as a manual exercise. So the key should be taken from this. This is the key. This is the format what they're following. And this is the email address. Assuming that the client has given the first name also. And so what is next? So as we have already configured, so what Gautam was doing before, he was going into Email Studio. After adding the new subscriber, he was going into the content manually, correct? Manual process was there. So yesterday we automated, at least we automated one step. So let me show you one manually today, but remaining 3, I will be not doing it since I'm confident that it is already done by Gautam. Since we are trying to repeat it and learn it, that is the reason I'm going over it. I'm trying to load it. Okay, so we have welcome email. So there are 4 emails here. Welcome email 1, 2, 3, 4. The exercise is to click and send it on the send. As we know the process, it's better you people practice this by adding one address. Default commercial, this is all good. Next, we have to go with a data extension, which is master as a target. Publication list has to be selected, which is welcome. Deduplicate has to be selected. Next, I have to select the folder welcome. Next, I have to select this checkbox and send it. Now to do this for the remaining 3, we have already created a user initiated email. I'll click on user initiated email. I know the confidence that it will be going. So I have created a folder, that is Gautam has done it. He mentioned that I have already created user initiated. Why don't you use it? Okay. So under the welcome folder, so welcome email 1 is already sent. So I'll be taking the effort of sending this one. I'll click on this welcome email 2. I just want to see, okay, just a QA. Welcome email 2, this is good. Hello, let's get to know each other. Perfect. Send classification is selected and deduplicate is selected as yes, very good. And multi-part mime, and this is welcome folder. Perfect. I'll just click on cancel. I am confident that this part of the QA is done. So welcome email 1 is sent. I'll select the check box. I'll click the button send. Now it is easy. There are no 4 screens because it's all configured. Just review it. Email send, welcome email 2. First subject line pre-header, data extension and the suppression list deduplicate is yes. Rest of the things look good. I'll click the button send. This is welcome email 2. Take the mouse away. Don't forget to do that. Wait for the screen to load. Select the third welcome email 3 and click the button send. Once again, review it. Instead of going with 4 different screens, it's only one screen. Email sent to data extension. Welcome email 3, June perfect. What are you waiting for? Perfect subject line. Master is the data extension. Welcome, perfect. Deduplicate as the rest of the things look good. I'll click on send and take the mouse away. Watch my mouse pointer. You have to wait. Don't keep on clicking send button. Done with the welcome email 3. Select the third, fourth one. Click the button send. Take the mouse away and wait for the screen to load. Once again, review it. It all looks good because I'm confident that he has done it, but still it's good to do it. And now click the button send and take the mouse away. So now I want to take it to the next level. Every day I should not be doing this. Is there a way so that instead of clicking and sending, can I also avoid this part? Yes is the answer. And before that, let me check the tracking sense. So it was manual completely. Now we have automated to an extent that user-initiated email can help us. Now we are taking it to the next level by making use of Automation Studio by configuring all these emails in one place. You can see all of them are in progress. Welcome email 1 is in good shape that it has already been sent on. This is 4:18 a.m. This is the PM one. Okay. This is the CST time zone. The rest of the things we'll see. Okay. With all these things done, we need not have to wait here. I know that it will be completed. Now, to take it to the next level, I will be creating an automation. Since the user initiated email is already created, so I'll take it to the next level. So I'll just add a record. Today itself, I'll show you that also. The major issue is there, which I'll be doing it. So this is the welcome folder as usual. Okay, I'll click the new automation. So in automation, we have learned once, but I'll be repeating. So we have summary tab, workflow tab, and activity tab. What is the name? It is welcome. Welcome email send automation. We'll pause this later. For now, I'll just go with welcome email send automation. I'll click on save button. Now it's time to workflow. We have 4 emails to send. We have this one. Drag and drop 1, drag and drop 2, drag and drop 3, and drag and drop 4. You can do one by one, or you can also place it in one place. We'll make it as 4 different ones. And this will be a scheduled automation. This will be a scheduled automation because we want to send it manually after adding the record. We don't know when it will be coming. We don't know when will be the email address coming. So I've saved it. So this is already, you can see this in activities. Under activities, we have send email, we have user initiated, we have that welcome folder, and we have all of them in place. I'll make use of this name so that you have welcome email 1, 2, 3, 4. So preferably try to configure that in our welcome folder one by one. Click the button choose and select welcome folder, welcome email 1. If you are confused, just rename this. Welcome email 1. If you want, you can review this here also. 2 scrollers, 1 scroller is here, 1 scroller. I click on done, save it. Repeat the same steps for the remaining 3. Welcome folder, welcome email 1, welcome email 2, welcome email 3, and welcome email 4. Save it. Now, let's see how it works. Is it all sent? Let's see in Email Studio. Now my automation is ready, but yes, it is an automation, but still it is not fully functional. Now I'll go back to my tracking tab sense to see whether the email is sent out or not. I know it will be, but still. I'll go back to welcome folder and I'll see that it is done. All configured, all sent. Perfect. one deduplicate, one is not deliverable because of held status. So 10 minus 2, it is 8. Very good. Now it's time to check one more email address, which I'll be going with. Let's see within the data extension. Okay. I'll go to contact builder and see with one click we can do it or not. And then from tomorrow, we'll be using automation, assuming that it will be ready with data. So data extension, What we're trying to achieve is slowly we are automating entire process one by one. So we have Gautam, Guru Kiran, Chandra. So this is also there. Chandra SFMC is there. This one. Okay, I'll add the other one. Okay. So Chandra dot Prasad dot raju.yadav@gmail.com. So this is the email address. It's the same day, and anything which comes before that. This is the format what we are following for subscribers. Okay, you can follow anything based on your client request. So they have clearly mentioned what they want. What is the format you need to have for the subscriber key is ready. Email address is ready. Now see the step. Now it will be very simple. So I'll go with Prasad as the first name. Okay, done. Now, if you remember the video from yesterday and today, add the record, go to Email Studio, pick each email address and send it. Now it's very simple. I'll go to Automation Studio. Since we are not sure about the timing, of the contacts coming in, we are not selecting this. We'll click the button save. We'll click the button run once. And with one click, we are able to send all the 4. If you remember the number of clicks, what you were doing before, and if you can remember the clicks, what I'm doing now. So it is 1.1 send, 1.2 send, 1.3 send, and 1.4. It will be the same code. I'll click on run now. I'll go to activities. You can see the emails are going out one by one. The number of clicks are reduced. If you recall the number of clicks, what we did from yesterday. Okay. I wish you people do this every day so that you feel that today it's a very good situation to understand that Gautam is unable to log in on time because of his personal reason. This is a very good scenario. This is a very good situation to understand. Okay. So in future, what will happen for the people who come on Saturday and Sunday? We don't work on Saturday and Sunday, right? So we need to set some expectation to our client. Okay. How many email address do you send? How do you send it? So let me repeat. How are we getting this email address? We are getting this email address on a daily basis to Gautam's email address, company email address, or Chandra Prasad's company email address. Since Gautam is away today, Chandra Prasad was working, he completed the task. So we received 2 email addresses with the help of automation, and number of clicks have reduced. You have to just click it and it's all going out. So it took some time. Let it take time. So once it is sent, we'll go to second is sent, third and fourth. If you recall all the videos, watch the video, try to recreate it. And when you people are doing it, only request is don't add any email address which is not known to you people. And when all these things are happening, obviously where it is getting tracked, it is tracked under sends. It is tracked under sends. That too in the welcome folder because the configuration has already been set. You can see this has all been sent. So welcome email 1 sent today. So you can see 420, 427, 428. Welcome email 3 is going out. Then the welcome email 4 will go out. Okay. Are we good? Yes. I'm good for sure. Now, what is that we need to take it? We need to take it to the next level. But to take it to the next level, the problem what we are facing in this automation or whatever we are doing is there is a lot of emails which is going out to a single person. Understand the problem so that we can find a solution. So, problem is emails which are going out, it is going out to everyone every day. New people will get once. Later, they are getting it on a daily basis. How can you say that? It is based on the send count. That is the reason we have data views to see how many emails are going out. If I go to send data view, you can see there are 128 sends happened. There are 128 sends happened. And if I go to subscribers data view, this is the data view which will give you the number of subscribers. It says it is 9, but actually it is 11. 10 and 11 is added today. And if you want that information, you need to run this query. But if you go to all subscribers, you should be able to see all the 11 subscribers because we have already sent the email. 10 and 11. So 11 will be there. So Shreyas is here, Raju is here, Kavya is here. You can see Chandra. I think I was already been added before, right? So this email was already there. It should have been added because it's a new subscriber key. Let's see what is the status of it. Let's see whether the email is sent out or not. If it is sent, to whom it is sent, what is the send count and all. We need to match that. Let's see. And then we'll conclude. So we can see welcome email 1, 2, 3, 4. This is really good. It has gone out. And let me check in the automation studio whether all the 4 emails are gone out or not. Have I typed my email address correctly? chandra.prasan.raju.yadav@gmail.com. This is good. This is also looks good. Expecting that it should be. So welcome journey automation. And what do you see here is 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 are gone out as you can see. Okay, good. 3 minutes on an average. And now I have to investigate what happened with the contact which are expected to be added today. This one. This is new. It should have been added. Gautam, Chandra. This is good. This is also good. I'm expecting one more. Let's investigate after some time. That's not an issue. 22 June is also good. Okay. So I'll stop this. Now we know the problem. Duplicates are going up. I'll stop the screen sharing and recording. We'll try to discuss more. Just give me a minute.